Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. Today I am bringing you this review of this 18-inch Amazon headband wig, guys. As you can see, your girl was feeling herself, but you know what? Let's get right into this video. Let's get right into this wig, y'all. This one right here that I actually have on my head. I'll link the video down below if you want to actually see like the review on this wig that I have on my head now, but we'll go ahead and start with this one. Now, of course, the wig, it came in this teal little bag. Now, you know that they usually do send little items with it too, so they did send some eyelashes, a headband, a card, and then a wig cap. Anyway, here is the unit. Now this is an 18-inch this is a 18-inch headband wig, and it says it's for black women, but okay, I guess, but I feel like anybody could wear this color wig. But anyway, 18 inches. So this is what it looks like coming out the pack here. So of course it has this little white thing, but anyway, it does have the comb right here at the top of the dome, the combs on the side, as well as the comb right here. And then, you know, it has the Velcro strap. But this is what it's looking like, 18 inches. It does look like, I mean, it's wavy. I can give it that. It's definitely wavy. So it gets like that wavy look. It doesn't smell crazy, because I don't know about y'all, but I bought some headband wigs, and sus, they have been so they stunk. They definitely stunk. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. I actually already have this headband wig on, so hold on, let's just take this one off. And I have my wig cap on. So I actually do have like a small head, so I need to lay them edges down, but anywho. So I always wear like a wig cap, so I really never have to use these let me Velcro the back. I never have to use the actual combs because I usually have it on there, but I went ahead and tightened it up. Oh child, baby, if you have a small head, this is for you. I tightened that the Velcro up there. Hold on, because my cornrows under there are not flat. But all right. Let me go ahead and pull it down in the back. So I do have the comb, the little comb there in the back. I make it look kind of crazy, but anyway. So this is what it's looking like. Not curls or anything, and I don't have a headband, but I would not go out with this like this. Even if I had like a black one, which I think I do. Like I have a black one, I would still put this on top because, I don't know, it just seems like it looks better when you wear another headband on there. So I got these set of headbands too from Amazon, so I'll leave them linked down below for you. So let's go ahead. Now with this one, you definitely will have to go ahead and curl it. I've been using that curly wig for a while, so I'm not used to bringing out the curls. So this is what it's looking like fresh out the pack. Hope you guys can see that. I'm trying to scrunch that up some. So this is what it would look like. I mean, it's not too bad, right? Trying to get that headband in there. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I do, never mind my makeup right there, y'all. But anyway, because yo, what's going on with the makeup, child? Who knows? But this is what it's looking like. I actually want to curl it real quick to see how it actually curls, because in the picture, which I'll show you a picture of it over here, is what it looked like on the model. She had more curls and everything. So this one right here, the hair, let me tell you this, the hair is really soft. I'm not even gonna hold you, like, this hair is soft. Let me see what it has on here. Okay, so on the model, this hair was very much so wavy, but anyway, this hair is actually a Brazilian virgin hair wear, and of course it's a gold glueless wig. It's supposed to have 150% density on here, so that's the wig, y'all. So I mean, it's looking cute out of the package there, besides my edges not laid down, but it's okay. Besides those edges not being laid down. So the wig itself is cute. It is that like solid jet black, but I do want to go ahead and put some curls in it to see how that's gonna look real quick. So let's do that. All right, guys, so I just put this on. Hopefully it'll lay them edges down, but I'm just gonna use this oh, this is spray. I'm gonna use this Tresemme heat tamer on here. So I'm just gonna spray the hair down, just because I don't want to really burn it, you know what I mean? And kind of comb that through. Now we're just gonna put some curls in it real quick to see how the curls hold on there. But this hair is like really soft. I'm not even gonna hold you. So it may not even hold an actual curl long without it having some holding spray. But do you see that shine though on the hair? Like, girl, that is good. I wonder if I have some pins. See if I can pin it. Okay, that's cute. But I'm loving so far the actual, like how shiny it is. Like I was gonna put some of that She Shine on there. That what is it? The Shine Infusion by Chi. Girl, I can't even speak. But I don't know. This is actually looking already shiny, you know, to me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish curling this up real quick. I should have cornrowed those cornrows a little tighter though.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
Alright guys, I just put some curls in here. I didn't put any hairspray in there, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna curl these out just because it's like a little bit cute to curls out. So this is what it's looking like. Can y'all see that? It's a really cute wig though. So I feel like the curls would stay if they had like some hairspray in there, but all in all, y'all, I think this wig is kind of cute. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this review of this Amazon headband wig. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.